A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well and your family are good, fine and safe. Sometimes we are facing the problem like love relation problem, like our lover leave us and attract to the another woman, or she goes to another man without any reason. It make us very harm to our heart, and we tried a lot get him back, but we can't get him back, or he's going far away from us and we can't do anything, and he's in love with someone else, with another girl or woman or man. So today we are here with some tremendous spell. With that you can make your lover's relation break up with someone else, like your lover leave you or left you without any reason, and he made or she made relationship with someone else, and you don't want that and you want to break their relation. So today this spell will 100% work out for you. To start this spell, you have to take a blue marker, a plain paper, no ingredient required for that, and this spell is very powerful. You have to give your full attention to this video, so I'm not taking your too much time. So you have to write here break up. You have to write breakup spell for lover, and for example your lover name start with the J, like for example his name is Jack, so you have to write Jack. Here you have to write the first letter of your lover's name, and you have to make a circle around it. After that you have to draw 3 lines, and then you have to write his lover name, like girl name start with the T, like her name is Tina, like her name start with the T. You have to write her capital name, and then you have to make a circle around that, and then you have to write a line in the front of that line, and then you don't have to make a straight line from the T and the lover's name start with that. You have to arrow it up like this. It means Jack's feeling will not go to the Tina. It means Jack's feeling will not go to the Tina, it going far away from that. It is the spell. This is the very crucial part of this video, and after that you have to write break lipam kutam. These words are very important, and you have to see them with the full of concentration. Break lipam kutam. You have to write this, and you can do this every 3rd of any month. The date should be in the 3, like 3rd, 13th 23 of any month. It should be 3, 13, 23. You can do this spell on the 3rd of the month, 13th of the month, 23rd of the month. Any month the date should be these. And if you have any kind of question about this spell, about this breakup spell, you can contact us anytime. On this number. And if you have any question, you can call us. If you want to ask anything, you can comment us. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye.